Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to solve this type of problem when it is a function in factored form and you're asked to give the p or the y-intercept and the x-intercept or intercepts. At first glance I was actually really confused because I wasn't sure where to go from this, like how do I find the x-intercept, how do I find the y-intercept, but then I was like, oh, on a graph an intercept, so for example an x-intercept would be 1 and then the y value is always 0, and then it's just the opposite with the y-intercept. So it helped me a little bit more. So p of x is y just as a function, so instead of this being p of x I would make it 0, and then all of these quantities would have to equal 0 to make this 0. So for example, 0 equals x minus 7, x plus 2, and x minus 5. So you can go through and solve all this, but the easier way to do this is just make all of these little sections equal 0. So x minus 7, which equals 0, x would equal 7. For this equation, x would equal negative 2. And for this equation, x would equal 5. And that is how you get your x-intercepts. And you would write them as the following. You would write them as 7, 0, because the y value for an x-intercept is 0. Negative 2, 0. And 5, 0. Now for the y-intercept or the p-intercept, you just do the opposite. You plug in x's for the zeros, so it would actually be p of 0 equals 0 minus 7 x 0 plus 2, and then 0 minus 5. Now all of these would just be this value, since 0 doesn't technically change anything in an equation, so it would just be negative 7, 2, and negative 5. So when you multiply all of these, you end up getting p of 0, or x coordinate 0, equals 70. And that would be your y-intercept or p-intercept. So up here, when x is 0, y is 70. And that's how you solve that.